It has never been easier to create affiliate funnels and websites online. But with NinjaKash, it is easy and fast. Just log into your account and fill site details to build a profitable affiliate funnel in 60 seconds flat that gets you traffic and commissions hands-free. It's just a simple 3-step method that goes like this. Step 1. Insert your affiliate link. To get started, insert your affiliate link in our software. Step 2. Choose from Done For You and Beautiful templates. Now, just select and edit from Proven Converting and Ready to Go templates from library to create your own profitable affiliate funnels. Step 3. Publish to enjoy free traffic and money. Now the action begins. Our software put this affiliate funnel on fly mode. That is a SEO, social, and viral traffic machine. And you watch your accounts with commissions rolling in. Take my word. This is everything you need to create your own high-converting affiliate marketing funnel on 100% autopilot with zero technical skills and zero headache. No installation, no designing or other techie stuff. And everything works under a single dashboard with zero frustration of learning. You also get 50 proven converting products selected for you to promote and maximize affiliate commissions in no time. That means with NinjaKash, you're joining top 3 biggest niches online that enable you to make $500 to $1,000 daily with affiliate marketing, drive tons of viral traffic from top social giants, promote high-converting products with your own affiliate funnels that gets you commissions, #1 rankings, and free SEO traffic. In a nutshell, it also creates social sharing campaigns and reschedules offers on Twitter, Tumblr, and Reddit timelines to enjoy buckets of viral traffic. We went even further to make it work easily with all major autoresponders like MailChimp, GetResponse, Albert, etc., which is a huge added value to provide you a basic insight into your funnels. You can get an overview of funnels like technology used, location of visitors, as well as the details of your visitors within this. NinjaKash is the ultimate key to create constant, ongoing passive profits completely hands-free. And these are just a handful of features. An entire host of other features that come included with NinjaKash when you sign up today. Just get your hands on NinjaKash to create funnels online. And it streamlines everything for you 24/7. Even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. And that makes NinjaKash a cut above the rest. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.